Welcome to an experiment demonstrating the displacement of hydrogen in water by a metal. Fill 3 glass tubs with equal amounts of water. Add a few drops of phenolphthalein solution to each cup, measure the water temperature, and record it. We have this move on the surface with popping sounds and the release of gas. The temperature rises and the solution turns pink. We conclude that alkali metals react with water to form hydrogen gas and a basic solution, turning the phenolphthalein pink and increasing the temperature.